In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Loom Video Share link. If you've just recorded something in Loom and need to share it fast, there are a few easy ways to grab the link. I'll walk you through each method and share quick tips so your viewers get the right access the first time. First, the fastest option happens right after you finish recording. Once you stop the recording, Loom will upload your video and automatically open its video page in your browser. On that page, you'll see a button labeled Copy Link. Click it and Loom will confirm that the share link is copied to your clipboard. From there, paste it anywhere you need: email, chat, project tools, or a calendar invite. If the video is still processing, the link will still work. Viewers may just see a brief processing message before it becomes playable. If you're coming back to a video later, use your library. Open Loom, head to Library or My Videos, and select the video you want to share. On the video page, click the Share button. In the panel that appears, choose Copy Link. This gives you the same shareable URL as the first method. A quick tip here: if you have a long list of videos, use the search field or filters to find the right one by title or date, then open it and grab the link. Another reliable option is to copy the URL directly from your browser's address bar. Open the video in Loom, click into the address bar so the full link is highlighted, and copy it. That address is your shareable Loom link. Just make sure you're on the video's page itself, not your general workspace or library, so you don't accidentally send a page that others can't access. Before you send the link, it's smart to think about who needs to view it. Some workspaces default to more limited sharing. If someone reports they can't open the video, return to the video's share panel and review the privacy setting to match your intent, such as allowing anyone with the link to view. To double check, you can paste the link into a private or incognito window to see what your audience will experience. To recap, you can copy the link immediately after recording from the video page, grab it later from your library using the share button, or simply copy the browser URL while viewing the video. Pick the method that fits your workflow and you'll be sharing in seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing with Loom.